Good morning, fellow crafters. It's a beautiful sunny day on this Friday, July the 12th. I spoke to some of you earlier via post telling you that I was going to change my home over to a more farmhouse look. I think I'm already halfway there, but I could use a few more pieces. Let me tell you something. This is how I like to shop. 50% is nice, but I like to catch those end of the season sales where you can get 70% off, 75% off, 80% off. So I got between 70 and 80% off of everything. Maybe more. Let me show you the bigger piece first that I saw. And it's flawed, but I have a remedy for it. It's like a sculptured piece. I have a remedy to fix it and to cover it, and it was $40, and the guy gave it to me for $6. $6. That's what I like. I found me a stone candle holder. I don't know what it was originally, but they marked it down to $3. I got my black gingham ribbon. This was the only thing I got that wasn't on sale. It was, wait, I did use the 50% off coupon, so it was like $2.25. It was regularly $5, $2.25. I found some florals. They had them all 70% off, and I like to actually buy them and pick them apart and make smaller arrangements. And I loved the different kind of flowers on this, and this one was $9.99. And they marked it down to $2.99. Now, here's another one. I love these purple flowers. This is another one that was $7.99, so I got it 70% off. I'm not good with the math right this second. But these, $10 each. I love them. I got 3. They went from $10 down to $2.99. You can't beat that. You could use these, sit them on top of flower pots, and make it look like you got a topiary, a little small topiary. Or you can use the 3 that I bought, get you some kind of branches or something, and make a topiary out of those 3. Here's some beach balls. They're hard like stone. They're 80% off. They were $2. $1.88 actually, so I got 2 of them. I don't see what the regular price is, but I know they were 80% off, so if they were $1.88, okay, you do the math. This I loved. I wanted some more tin. This is a big tin pan, and I'm going to do a lot with this now and then come fall. And I really liked it because it had the can opener on the side. $7. You hear me? $7. It almost looks like a kitty cat wash tub. And here is another baby that I like. I was looking for black. I was looking for glass. I was looking for wood. I was looking for candles. This was on sale, $9.99. You cannot beat that. It was clearance. Everything is